Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a delicious yet easy and simple vegetable recipe. Hope you like it. Let's begin with the recipe by adding some cumin and mustard seeds into the hot oil and let them pop before we add our slit cut green chilies, chopped garlic and onions. I'm going to fry my onions until they are translucent in color. I'm just giving it a quick mix and moving on with adding some slit cut potatoes. You can cut your potatoes in any shapes you like. And I'm going to fry it until they turn golden in color. Now let's move forward by adding our well-known Indian spices like turmeric powder, red chili powder. Next we have coriander powder, some garam masala and some cumin powder. You can add them according to your taste. I have added half to 1 teaspoon each. Depending on your taste, you can add your spices. Also, I'm going to add some salt. You can add salt as per your taste. Don't forget to add your salt with your spices. And then we're going to follow it with a spiceful mix with our potatoes. Now I'm moving to the main ingredient of this recipe, the cabbage. I'm giving it a good mix with potatoes, spices and cabbage. I also close the lid and let it be on medium flame to let the veggies cook faster. Also, there is an optional step here. You can add some water to make your veggies softer, and it's going to take much less time if you add some water. I did add some water in this recipe and I'm giving it a good mix. Also, I added some tomatoes at the end of this recipe and giving it a good well mix. For the final step, I have chopped coriander here. I'm just going to pop in there and look at that green color in the veggies. It looks beautiful. And there you go, your vegetable gravy is ready to be served. You can have it with chapati, rice, serve it hot, as it's a wonderful recipe of spiced vegetables. I hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. I hope you love the recipe, and if you give it a try, don't forget to mention it in the comments. I would love to see your creations. Bye bye. See you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.